Well, this time I want to show you how to manage the UV projection, which later we can use for UV layout on UV texture editor. Okay, first I want to show you how to manage uh, this layout. Okay, um, first I want to tell you to keep well planned with in this model. I used to use a few uh, shader that you can apply to certain face, so you can see uh, which area you apply with the red shader, which is the front of the face letter. You can select from the hypershade if you already use select the select the face and then applying the material. Other hand, that's the same thing that you already set the selection as well with the material. Okay, let's say you want to select the front of the face. Okay, and then you can select the red material, which is the front of the face. I apply with the red material. Okay, and then our I will right click on the red material and then select object. I pick select object with the material, and then what happened? And then the red area, which is applied with the red material, selected on the face. Okay, and then by that I will applying planar mapping projection. I'll check first the axis projection. As you can see, the front face already in the same direction with the Z axis. So we will set to the Z axis to project the planar projection, and then we apply, and then what happened next is to fit with this face. Okay, and then let me close and then bring the uh, UV projection in UV texture editor. Okay, and then I want to go into UV mode, select the UVs. Okay, and then push and hold control, right click and select to cell. Okay, which is mean you only selected all the cell from the front face of the object, and then move aside a bit like this. And then now you can see that the front face already set by single planar UV projection, and then you can do the same with the rest of the area, like left side and ears, right side and the ears. Okay, and then I will put on the empty area on the left up scale to fit with this area, and then after you select and layout on the texture render. Select them all, polygon. You're going to unfold setting. Okay. And then you uncheck reset as well, uncheck on UV border. Okay. And then let me check on the horizontal, apply. Okay, they manage not too well. And then check on the vertical, apply. Okay, and then now the the view projection already set. And then after that, let me close. Okay, polygon, going to layout. Okay, then apply. They will set out automatically on the uh, texture area. Maybe you have to select them all the cell we already made, and then scale down a bit to make sure it's not outside of the area. Okay, and close. Okay, that's already fixed. Yeah, and then if you make let's say proxy, subdiff proxy to make a smooth fashion. Okay, or we'll set subdivision level at the 1, apply. Okay, as you can see now, I want to drag down this model. Okay, right here. And then if you check on the UV texture, okay, is keep on the right, like the proxy version, right? So it's mean the proxy version and smooth version are already set as well. Okay, that's one method that I show you. And now I wanna show you I think the second option, so you can compare between both method and then pick one which is good for you to set up the UV. Okay, the second one, for the second one is mostly you work on the UV texture editor. And when you apply, you just set you not needed to select the face or selection from material, from headset. You don't need that. So you just select object like that and then create UV. You can use planar mapping projection. Let's say we can use Z-axis project like that, and then on UV texture editor you can find like this. If you select UVs, this will be showing you like this one. Okay, and then now we needed to show the UVs. Toggle set UV display. I want to check this to active. Okay, and then I want to split up. I have to set this all this into layer, and then hiding them to making it easy for us to work along with this model. Okay. Okay. And then if you split it up with projection before, and now you just only set one projection and then split up on the UV texture editor. I think this the result is kind the same with that method before. Okay, you just have to double click on the edge. Okay, and then you have to cut uh, by the edge. Okay, and then you have to select the UVs, for example this one. Okay, and then back to the UV texture editor. Okay, go to UV mode, and then to cell, and then bring this selection cell out of this area. Okay, and then next what we have to set again is back to the edge like this one too, see, and then this one as well. Oh, sorry, not this one, and then this one. Okay, and this one, double click on this one, and then I think I need to select one by one on this. Okay, and then the front side up of this. Oh, sorry, I have to unselect this one first. Okay, this one, this one, this one too. Okay, okay, and now we have to okay, to UV, select this UV to cell, and then okay, like that one. Okay. You don't have to worry if this stretch in on the back side of this head. Okay, because later, let's say we want to unfold this area, you just select the area you want to unfold, polygon, unfold. Okay, reset, set to horizontal, okay, and then vertical, see, like that. Okay, it will be set well good. I think I'm gonna need to demonstrate. Okay, like that one. Okay, after you finish with this slicing cut, and then bring back all together to the this area, yeah? And then select all the UV and cell area, and then going to layout setting. You just edit, reset, okay. uh, Press scale to object. You can set the press scale to object, scale mode uniform, okay. And then spacing preset is how bigger the map that you use later on the texture. And then the preset space is means how many distance from how far you can set the distance between the shell that you already apply with the projection. Okay, let's say I want to set to 0.7 and then apply. Okay, you have bigger, so you can don't worry if the cell is too tight. Later, if you want going to make the texture later. Okay, close. Okay, this is the final result for the UV. Of course, we still have an empty space, but you don't have to worry because it's okay with the empty space. And then uh, now, by now, you already ready to send this model and his UV to my box to scout. Okay, thank you.